Listen to me rant while I play this. Oh my gosh, I got rid of my skirt. Oh no. I forgot it does this. Ugh. I might have to change my avatar. I don't really want to. Oh. Okay, that's random. Oh my gosh, this is so annoying. Why is there random chat, like, messages? Anywho's, as I said, I miss you guys so much. And I really want to get, like, back to recording. Is there a way up? Oh crap. Like, get back to recording and, like, my day's birth. As you guys can sound, I do sound really not that good. I'm sick. I've been off from stuff. I also want to do neighbors, like neighbor videos, but I'm just scared that people are gonna find my YouTube and then they're gonna be probably most likely beefing with me because I have, like, you guys can see my neighbors. Oh my days, I cannot see whatsoever. Ah! What lamp, man? What? Oh, it's this dude. Oh my gosh. I didn't even realize he was there. Okay, so we should be really close to Captain Clark's then. Oh my gosh. Half these doors are always locked. Oh my gosh, I just want to go say hi to him again. Have you seen Captain Clark? Props not, bro. Oh, that just leads to nowhere. Okay, Lampman was found. Let's go find Captain Clark. Oh, there's a door. I'm sorry that I'm coughing. I don't really want to cough. I know it's nasty. Oh, wait, what's that? That's a sun. Oh, so something. Ah, I looped. Okay, hold up. Okay, yeah, I just leave. There's a door. No. Okay. I can't see anything. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys, I can't see anything. Okay, I'm finding a lot more furniture. Oh, I just looped again. Oh my gosh, I was just in here. I don't think it wanted me really to take it. I'm sorry, I had to. Oh, now I just lost my spot. That was satisfying though. Oh no, I didn't. I just spawned. Okay. Not that bad, not that bad. I think I'm gonna go down this way. I don't think I've been down this way before. I'm praying that I haven't. I have. I've been here. I think. There's no way to like know if. Okay, yeah. I've been here. Dude, where's Captain Clark at? I'm gonna be the red woman for like a hot minute. She runs into this corner. There's a door. Let's just reach down here. Damn it. There's a door over there that I've already found the pool room. Okay, that just looped me. And now I don't know how to get out of here. Oh, down here. Guys, I'm not even joking. I found Captain Clark's. And this is the new update too. I haven't found Captain Clark's in the new update. Guys. Yay! I found him! This took me so long, and I did it. He's in there. But I did it without. Okay, so we have that one. Okay, there's only 2. There's 3, but I don't know where the 3rd one is. And it's got this. This was not like this before. Did he change? Dude, I know you love me. Just come over here. I think he did change. Yeah, he's way more detailed than he was before. Where did I spawn? Okay. Oh, I know where I am. Okay. We found Captain Clark's. I'm so proud of myself, but I want to find him again. Just so then, which way did I go? I went this way. So then, I can go look and see what's down that other alleyway, because I found an alleyway down there. Okay, so I know where I'm going, I think. Yeah. Okay, he just found someone else. This is what I was talking about. I want to see what's down here. Because this is all different to what I'm used to. Sorry for the stuff, guys. I am sick. Keep that in mind. Oh. We have a family of chairs. Okay, that's locked. This looks sketchy as hell, but... Oh. How do you crouch in this game? I don't think you can even go down there. What's down there? I feel like that would be a perfect crouch hole, though. Okay, whatever. Some more random stuff. A dead end. Okay. Let's go down this way. Okay, I just looped again. Which I don't understand why I keep on looping. But it is the back rooms, so you do the crazy. I honestly want to see what? I didn't get Captain Clark's. What? Okay, I did not have these 2, so I'm assuming. Let's go from the pores. Okay, so what I'm assuming is Captain Clark's is no longer a spawn point. Which I am so upset about because, oh wait, I just want to get another picture of this because there's like 2 pictures. I won't unlock anything. Where's the album? Yes, see, there's like 3. Okay, so I don't even know what those does. There's another one down there somewhere, but I'm not really bothered. I only want to see if I can find the new updates in this game. Oh, why did I go misty? Oh, guys, I need to sneeze. Okay, I'm back. I just sneezed. I have to talk really softly because if I don't, my voice doesn't go smooth. Okay, what we're trying to find is... I don't even know what we're trying to find at this point. I might have to pull up a YouTube tutorial. There's a door. I see it. Oh, I've been here. Oh, my throat. The amount of times I'm gonna say, I've been here. And this video is gonna be crazy because, like, this is the background shot. Okay, I haven't been here. Never mind. That's where I was just at. I didn't watch. I've been there. Okay, so it's just like showing you random spots of where it was. I'm assuming. I'm not sure. I don't know. Don't ask me, y'all. I'm trying so hard not to, like, cough. Which door should I go through? Jokes. Can I go through there? It's here. I'm assuming this is just leading right back to where I was. I'm not even joking. I'm gonna quit, bro. This is so hard. Oops, sorry, guys. No, I just heard a door open. What is going on? I think... Dude. Don't play with me, please. I keep on hearing doors open and close. Yo, I've been here. No, I haven't. Yes, I have. I've been here so many times before. Whee! I want to see if the entity is around. Oh! What the freak? What did I unlock? It only does that if I unlock something. Uh-oh. Okay, I just had to cough. Who's taking pictures of me? Oh my gosh, no, 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 no. No. That probably doesn't mean anything good that I'm highlighted. Great. Someone's taking pictures of me. Paparazzi. Paparazzi really be loving me. I'm scared. Someone help me. Oh my gosh, I have dog prints underneath my shoes. Look, guys, I just realized that. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. I just looped. Oh, there's another fellow player. Let's see if I can see who's... Oh! Oh, Sky, are you okay? Okay, Eclipse really be scaring me. I'm not even joking. Yeah, I've just looped again. Off camera, I've like played this game so much. And I've been here before. Oh my days. Ah. I also don't know how I went from the side because I went down here. Right, let's see if I can do it again. I went down here, I went down here. Nothing. Just a chair. I came down out here. Oh, he whistled.
I'm SpongeBob. I'm SpongeBob.
I'm hearing...
SpongeBob. I'm SpongeBob.
Oh, I just found everyone in the server. What?
I'm SpongeBob. I'm SpongeBob. I'm SpongeBob. I'm SpongeBob.
Is he above us and he's touching SpongeBob?
I'm SpongeBob.
Oh, see, I went down there and then I came back out. Okay, that guy's touching SpongeBob, making... Okay, why is everyone following me now? Dude's touching SpongeBob, making SpongeBob say that. I'm gonna go try and find this dude. I just ran out of stamina. Great. Yeah, they're like... I don't know, please don't follow me. I'm not trying to get followed. I just looped. Again. Nothing new. I just looped. Again. Again, nothing new. For me, at least. I'm just trying not to get followed. Dude, are you guys... Y'all, stop. I'm not leading you guys the right way. Oh, what's down here? Dude, I just came from here. That just leads straight to the pool rooms. There's a door. Please. Someone help me out, y'all. I've already photographed that. Oh my gosh, guys. This is so hard. Yeah, I just looped. You guys just watched me loop. Oh, where am I going? That's where I left Eclipse and Potato. I left them down that way. No, I didn't. I left them here. And then I ran back. Okay. Okay. Yes, see, that just leads to the pool rooms. I'm not trying to go down that way. I've been down there before. I don't know how to get down there. I forgot. Because there's like somewhere you have to go before you go to the pool rooms to like go down that way. And I don't know how. I don't know. This is no use, guys. I'm like actually lost. Well, not really. I just like... Which way haven't I not gone down? This way, maybe? I've progressed. Open up. Remind me to stay away from doors. Please and thank you. I just looped at the ego. Of course I spawn here, guys. Of course. Just come down this way, dude. There you go. Yo, I'm about to quit, like... Ah! I'm not joking. I cannot find my way out of here at all. Ugh. Hold up, guys. I kind of forgot I wasn't in my server. So let me just get away from all the crap before I start trying to... Okay, there's someone on VC. I don't like going on VC. Sorry if my voice changes, it's just my cough and stuff. Okay, are we far enough? Yeah, I think we are. We should be. Ah. Oh my gosh, there are so many emotes on this game that I can do. Where's that one emote? Oh my days, a girl started chasing me on this game doing this emote. Like, she full on chased me doing that. I'm scared. It wasn't the TikTok ones. It was like around this ones, I think. Never mind, that's not what I'm looking for. Hold up. This one's pretty cool. Yeah, why do I find this one so cute? Girl. I literally listen to that song all day, every day. This is like literally me and my bestie. I only remember one of my friends. Oh my gosh, she looks so cute. Oh my gosh. It looks like they're gonna break my neck, bro. Oh. Oh my gosh, I have Elliot.
It's me.
I need this right now. Right now. And I have Chick Chick Boom. Pop. Oh my gosh, why are they so cute? I know that dance, that's why I want it. Where's that new one? Scuba. That's cute. Hold up, guys, I'm trying to find it. Oh my. Oh my gosh, guys. Where's the other one? What's Psycho to do? I love this emote already.
Hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Ah! They don't have the dances I want, y'all. Like, this is sad. Anyways, bye.